just finished my workout at the gym right on top there, and usually a couple of times a week I go to the market down the street, which I'll show you in the next clip, and get myself a smoothie. I get myself a green smoothie. They also have beet smoothies, but I prefer the green. They're delicious, they're refreshing, and most of all, they're healthy. Here's the market I usually go to buy my produce. I'll do a video on that later on. All fresh. Smells good, guys. Smells good. Fresh produce. So it looks like this place is 25 pesos for a liter of chia, piña, chlorophyll water, I guess, and other stuff as well. She's making a beet juice for now. This is a local market here. Gets really packed when the cruises arrive. A lot of tourists come here to eat the local treats. Dos verdes, por favor. Sí, gracias. Just chopping away. Those are oranges, by the way. I know they don't look like a typical orange, but yeah, they're oranges. I asked them for that. Greens, celery, spinach. Actually, I think it's cilantro. KS? Piña, yeah. Pineapple, see. Spinach is there, spinacci. All the fruits and vegetables are at the market next door. I asked for that before. I think my Google Translate. So it's 50 pesos, which is like no necesito gracias. So it's 50 pesos each, which is like $3 Canadian. I definitely recommend this place if you're in Puerto Vallarta. Check it out for, like I said, 50 pesos, $3 Canadian, super cheap. I'll put the name of the market below, and hopefully you can see them and have a couple of smoothies. I forgot to say, usually I have one and I share with the wife, but this time we decided to have one each, and I can hardly finish it. It's so filling, it's absolutely delicious. Like I said, you're good for the day. I don't think you're gonna have to eat for hours and hours.